Hi fellow MacBook users, I want to share with you a product called Argo X. This contains carbon dioxide, nitrogen, tetratoluethane. I hope I pronounced it right. Or God save my soul. It has also anti-static agent and anti-freeze. Once you spray it on a surface, it immediately evaporates. It is non-conductor, so it's safe to spray in your keyboard, or at least when it's shut down. MacBook Air spacebar key with its new butterfly keyboard has been notorious for being unresponsive. Fellow MacBook users, I found a simple, cheap solution to this otherwise expensive keyboard overhaul. It's simple to use, just spray it directly in the problematic key while holding your MacBook Air at an angle. If you want to see more tips and solutions, show some love, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button.